channel Solving Techniques. So today in this video I'll show you how you can download Unc0ver for iOS 14.7.1. So you can see my iPhone 7. So let's go to the settings, go to the gender, go to the about, and you can see I am using iOS 14.7.1. So I need to download Unc0ver for this. So this is the very rare and good method. You don't need to any injection, you don't need to download any app, you don't need to download anything. So only you need to go to this site and download Unc0ver. So go to your Safari browser and search for uncover.ink. You can see uncover.ink. So click on go. This is the official site of Unc0ver, so you can go and download Unc0ver for your iOS. So you can see Unc0ver for iOS 11 and 15. So click on Jailbreak. So after this you can see click on allow, click on close and go back to your home screen, and after this go to the settings and go down, click on profile, click on Unc0ver, click on install. I'll enter my passcode and you can see next, install, and click on install, click on done and go to your home screen and you can see Unc0ver is appear. So if you want to jailbreak, click on there and wait for the loading. And you can see Unc0ver jailbreak for iOS 11.0 to 14.7.1. So you can download for your iOS. I am using iOS 14.7.1, so I can jailbreak my device. So if you are using iOS 11, iOS 12, iOS 13 or iOS 14, so with this you can download Unc0ver and also you can jailbreak your devices. So let's go. So you can see I am eligible to jailbreak. So with this you can download Unc0ver for your iOS. So thanks for watching Solving Techniques. Go and get your Unc0ver. Thanks for watching Solving Techniques. If you need any Unc0ver version for latest iOS 15, so comment down below. I'll give and make this video on this topic. Thanks for watching Solving Techniques.